Alright everyone, quick video today, how to change a fuel filter on a chainsaw. First thing you're going to want to do is drain out all the fuel. That'll make this a lot cleaner of a job. You're going to need some type of hook tool. This is just a flathead screwdriver that I bent. This or a pair of, or like a pick set or something like that. But first thing you're going to want to do is fish out your gas cap. A little stopper down in the tank. Get that out of there, and then either with the same tool or some channel, or not channel locks, needle nose, you can pull your fuel filter out. Now you want to be a little bit careful here, you don't mess up your fuel line. Man, they didn't give much line on that. There we go. Alright, so that's your fuel filter. All you got to do is just work it a little bit and twist right off there. It looks pretty good. I'm having troubles with this saw running at full idle, so I wanted to make sure the fuel lines weren't messed up with ethanol or anything. So I got the other side of the fuel line off the carburetor here. I'm going to shoot it with some compressed air. Just to make sure there isn't any gunk or anything in the line. I'll come in with our new filter. Twist it on there and stuff it back in. Then you just want to make sure that line is seated all the way at the bottom of the tank. Alright, that's how you change a fuel filter.